Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sanam Sheikh and I will be teaching the subject of science to class 4. Before I proceed my lecture, I would like to discuss about the syllabus of first term. The lessons which we are going to study in this term are the human body, environments and food chains, the study of matter, sounds. Today I am going to explain the first lesson of our book, that is the human body. Before I start my lecture, I would like to tell you about the topics which we are going to cover in this lesson. The topics are cells, tissues, organs, organ system, the skeletal system, and the muscular system. Cells. Cells are the smallest building units of the body. All living things are made up of cells. Cells are also called the building blocks of life. Like all living things, the human body is also made up of cells. We have different types of cells in our body. For example, we have bone cells, nerve cells, red blood cells, etc. The group of cells combine together to form tissues. Students, cells are like the chambers. They are like the rooms. When the group of cells combine together, they form tissues. Tissues. Tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Tissues can be muscular, connective, nervous, or epithelial. First, I will explain what are muscle tissues. Muscle tissues actually make our muscles. For example, the muscles present in our heart are called cardiac muscles. The muscles present in all over our body that help us to move are called the skeletal muscles. The muscles present in our different organs of the body are called smooth muscles, connective tissues. The bones in our body are called connective tissues. Nervous tissues. Nervous tissues means the tissues that are present in our brain. Epithelial tissues. The outermost layer of the skin or the tissues that make the layer of the skin are called epithelial tissues. The functions of different types of tissues. Muscular tissues. They bring about movement. Connective tissues. They give shape and hold the organs. Nervous tissues. They send signals to and from the brain. Epithelial tissues cover some parts of the body. Organs. Group of tissues that work together are called organs. The body's functions are performed by organs. We have different types of organs in our body. For example, brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, stomach. Organs. Group of tissues that work together are called organs. The body's functions are performed by organs. We have different types of organs in our body. For example, brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, stomach. Brain. Brain helps you to memorize. It controls all your body's functions. Heart. Heart pumps blood to your body. Stomach. Stomach helps you to digest your food. Lungs. Lungs help you to breathe in and out. Digestion means to break down the food. Brain controls all the functions of our body, and it is also called the control center of our body. Organ systems of our body. The group of organs combine to form the organ systems of our body. We have different organ systems in our body that perform different functions. Some organ systems of our body are the digestive system, the nervous system, the respiratory system, and the circulatory system. The skeletal system. The skeletal system is the framework of bones which protects our internal organs. It makes up the skeleton. It gives the shape to our body. It supports and protects the internal organs of our body. For example, the rib cage protects our heart, stomach, etc. And same as the brain is protected by a bone called the skull. The skeletal system consists of different bones. The muscular system. The muscular system consists of skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. It helps you to move your body. Muscles allow a person to speak, move, and chew. Muscles control your heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. Students, our eyes also have muscles. The muscles present in our eyes help us to open and close the eyes. Same as we have different type of muscles in our body. Let's take a review of today's lecture. In our first lecture, we have covered cells, types of cells, and their functions. Then tissues, the type of tissues and functions. Organs, different type of organs and their functions. Organ system, we have covered different organ systems, the skeletal system and the functions of the skeletal system, the muscular system and its functions.